Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to do simple sprinting function for your game in Unreal. In this video we're gonna go over the code and the logic behind it, and then in some next video in the future I'm gonna show you how to change out the animation, so when you are sprinting your character has a different animation. So as you can see, I'm in third person template. You can do this in first person or any other one if you want. And we need to get our character blueprint. So for me that's in content, third person and blueprint, third person character. Open that up and I want to select in the components character movement. This component handles all the movement for your character and it comes in out of the box as a default for all the pre-made characters in Unreal. Then in details we are gonna scroll down, and under character movement walking we want to check what is our max walk speed value. As you can see, mine is at 600 and this is the default value for third person template. If yours is different, it doesn't matter. Basically you change this depending on how fast you want your player to move. It doesn't matter what your value is. What matters is that you keep that number in mind. So let's go into the event graph and start making the code. It's really simple and there is two ways to go about it. You can either go with the toggle option, which means you press shift once, character starts sprinting, you press shift again, it stops sprinting. And then there is the hold function where you hold shift and for as long as you hold it, the character keeps sprinting. I'm gonna show you how to do both. So let's start by creating our keybind. I'm gonna just right click and search for shift, left shift keyboard events. You can of course use any other button or create keybind on your own. We are gonna first drag in our character movement component. And from there we are gonna search for set max walk speed. And then we are gonna duplicate it with Ctrl D. Then we just plug it into the pressed and release. And then plug the character movement into the bottom one. And the bottom one, we are gonna set our default value. So for me that's 600. Top one, you just choose how fast you want your character to run. So I want to go super fast because why not? So I'm gonna set it to 5000, just so you can see that yes, we are actually running. Compile, then go back here. Okay, and now when I hit play and I start running and hold down shift, as you can see, we are going really fast. This is how you do the hold function. Basically, when you press shift and you keep holding it, that's when we are at 5000 walking speed. When we release it, we go back to the default value. So now let's do the quick toggle function. So I'm just gonna move these out and hold down my left alt and just click on pressed and release to remove the link. Okay, and we are gonna search for flip-flop. What flip-flop node does is basically once you press the button, it's gonna do the A. Once you press the button again, it's gonna do the B and then just repeat itself. So we are gonna hook it up to our left shift and then we are gonna hook it up like so. And now when we go compile, go back into the play mode and gonna start running, I'm gonna press shift once. I keep running, I'm gonna press shift again, we slow down, and so on. And that's basically it. So, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you found this helpful and see you in the next one. Bye!